Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and today another unboxing video from Aliexpress bargains. Okay, as you can see there is this option on Aliexpress first page where you can get items starting at $1.99. Okay, and yeah, there are a lot of useful stuff and I cannot stop ordering cheap gadgets from Aliexpress, so I decided to start a series of videos of unboxings, and this is the fifth one. Okay, so if you like this one and you want to see the other stuff I ordered, you can go and check on my channel all the products. Okay, really cheap, some really useful. Okay, so the first one today is a Bluetooth remote that you can use on your smartphone to play games or to control like a mouse. So I connected to my phone and I tried it out. So the shuttle, it shows like a mouse pointer on your screen and you can guide it to the apps. And I didn't do any further tests like gaming, but I will do. But yeah, so this was really cheap, so I will show you all the price that I paid for, and I will link to the product and it will be in the video details. So if you want to know more about this or even probably purchase one of these products that I will be showing in the video, you will find the direct link on the video description. Okay, so this was the first one. So I purchased it for €1.66, and now if I click directly they are charging $6.96. okay, so really good option if you go for the promotion on the first page and you add the items to your cart. From there it will be really cheaper compared to going directly to the product. Okay, so the next one is a universal remote control. And why did I select this one? Yeah, because this one has custom keys on it, so it looks really nice. So YouTube, Netflix, Amazon directly on custom keys, and it looks really nice if you want to use it with a smart TV. Okay, so it comes with these instructions in color, and yeah, with all the codes for all the other remotes. So if you have a broken remote, even for a recent model of TV, it should work. Okay, so it was also really cheap, so I ordered it. Okay, rubber keys, really nice. Okay, let me show you how much did it cost. So also €1.66, and if I go now outside the promotion from the first page, €4.86, and the link will be in the video description. Two AAA batteries not included, and everybody is giving 5 stars. Okay, the next item is also a remote control, but this one is only for a specific brand TV. so it's not universal. Okay, so this will replace, so as you can see, it also has Netflix and Prime Video, also YouTube. It operates with 2 AAA batteries. And this one will replace my Samsung remote that it wasn't working properly, so the buttons were not responding, and this one I already tested and is working perfectly, and the quality is also really good. Even compared to the original one, I like this one more. Okay, and it was a bargain. Let me show you. So Samsung remote control, €1.66, and if I go directly without the first page promotion, €4.70. But it's really good quality, it works really well. It also can control my Android TV box by CEC, so I have an Android box connected to my TV, and with this remote, when it's connected by HDMI, I can control the smart TV with it. Okay, it works really good. So next one, so solid state drive case, and this one is pretty it's really, the quality, the build quality is amazing, and yeah, this was a perfect gift for my son. So I created a live Linux distro, so install it in an external solid state drive, and this was the perfect gift because the box or the case, it's really good quality, you will see, and it's amazing. So if you purchase one of these from Amazon, probably you will pay only for the case like €50 or almost that. Okay, so throw in here a good SSD and you will have your pocket data, personal data with you always. Okay, but this is aluminum, it's not plastic, it's really nice. Okay, you see, and we can fit different sizes of solid state drive, so to the smallest to the bigger ones. And the cable, so USB-C, and you also have tape for heatsink. Okay, you should put this inside, and this was one of my favorite purchase. It was really cheap for this quality. I could not believe, and to be honest, I already ordered a second one because, as I told you, I gifted this one to my kid, but I want one for myself, so I ordered a second one. And you can see €5.03, and the quality is really great. Okay, and the price is still really good. So yeah, the next one will be also a solid state drive case, but between the two, I think this one is better quality, or it looks more polished. Okay, but this one is also really nice. So let me show you. This one was also for the same price category. Also, it's aluminum with plastic on the top. comes with some instructions. Okay, and if you go for this solution to buy the external case from AliExpress and then buy a good solid state drive to put inside, it will come much cheaper than you buy a pre-made solution from in Amazon. Probably if you buy a 1 terabyte solid state drive and with case, you probably will pay more than 100 euros or close to 100 euros. And if you buy here, so the case 5 euros, and then if you purchase the 1 terabyte solid state drive in Amazon or other store, like 60 euros or 70 euros, you see. Okay, so you save a lot of money and you have a good quality case. So another one for my collection. And you see 5 euros and 3 cents. It was the same price of the other one. Between the two, I like the other one more. Okay, so this one, they say it's for NVMe and also NGFF, so it works with both of solid state drives. So last item of the video, this is a heat gun. So if you have to do some repairs on your devices and you need to remove something that is glued, you can apply some hot air with this gun, so it will probably save you a lot of time if you want to take some glue off a device. And it will also be good to apply shrink tubes, if you know what I'm talking about. If you are in electronics, you probably will know. So this is a must-have if you are on always trying to repair gadgets, to remove glue and to shrink plastic tubes. It's really good. Or if you need to apply hot air to something. Okay, so let me know if you liked the video. If you did, to leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe and check my other videos. I'm always making videos from stuff I order from AliExpress. I make tutorials and other kind of gadgets. So if you like, consider to subscribe, and I'll catch you on a new video. Thank you and bye bye.